Well, it goes without saying that when it comes to a light fitting review, we like to head over to eFIXX's top secret research and development lab over here in Lincoln, where today we are going to be exploring a lighting range that has been used in over 1.2 million spaces in the UK and boasts great products, exceptional quality at very competitive prices. So it seems that Paul Russell's have a range of lighting suitable for electricians, but what do they like to fit? Well, let's find out. So let's start with these slim LED downlights. Paul Russell's LED round ceiling downlights come in 6 watt, 9 watts, 12 watts, 18 watts and 24 watt options. They feature CCT switchable settings and it's available in 3000K, 4000K and 6500K, and they give off a really nice light. I installed these into a suspended ceiling tile and it couldn't be easier. With an IP rating of 44 and a low profile modern design, they will look good just about anywhere. These fittings have a long lifespan with 25,000 hours with a 3 to 5 year guarantee. Next is their extensive range of LED floodlights. Paul Russell's frameless LED floodlights with PIR motion sensors come in 10 watt, 30 watt and 50 watt options. They feature a sleek frameless design, an IP65 weather resistant rating and a 5-year guarantee. The PIR sensor includes time, lux and sensitivity adjustments. It also comes with a fast connector for easy installation. As we are in our top secret research and development lab, I am going to test this 100 watt LED floodlight with optical lens just to see how bright it really is.
Do you know where Joe is? Joe? How are you, Joe? It's not going to make your hair grow back.
Maybe not, but for such a slim fitting, it really did kick out some light. And Paul Russell's also have non-PIR floodlights available in 10, 30, 50 and 100 watts. Let's now have a look at their LED battens. The integrated LED slimline light fittings offer versatile tricolour LED technology with selectable colour change technology at 3000, 4000 and 6500 Kelvin. Available in 4, 5 and 6 feet with corresponding power ratings, these IP20 rated fixtures are easy to install using a metal clip system. Plus, they come with a 3-year guarantee. Now this is only a 4-foot batten, but I can't believe how much light this kicks out. Paul Russell's also have standard 5 and 6 foot LED integrated batten light fittings. The 5-foot batten has 3 colour changing options, an IP20 rating and an impact rating of IK08 with a quick release mechanism for easy access to the gear tray. BISA fixing points and multiple cable entry options, installation and maintenance are straightforward. It features 2 selectable power modes at 30 watts and 60 watts and both fittings come with a 5-year guarantee. And finally, we're going to look at Paul Russell's LED downlighters. We can get both integrated downlights and downlighters that accept a GU10 lamp. The integrated downlights are dimmable with 3 selectable colour temperatures: warm, cool and daylight. They offer fire ratings of 30, 60 and 90 minutes. These 6 watt lights boast a 30,000 hour lifespan, an IP65 rating and a 5-year guarantee. Plus, they come with 4 selectable bezels. They come in white, chrome, nickel and matte black. Really easy in wiring in the top, they are compact and take up minimal space. Remove the bezel to change the colour temperature and that's it. And what's interesting is we have integrated as well as can type which accept a GU10 lamp. These have the necessary fire rating with this intumescent strip at the top of the fitting and a selection of bezels to make this downlighter pop. And these are available in IP65 for those wetter locations. But which one do you prefer, GU10 or integrated fitting? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And be sure to keep an eye out for more exciting and innovative products coming from Paul Russell's really soon. But from me, it's bye-bye for now.